What's going on, guys? Your artist, your favorite artist, On the Loose the artist. In this segment, I'm working on a project for my good friends Ryan, TJ, and John of Shrimpy's Burrito Bar and Grill in Massapequa Park. They came to me in regards to creating some interior design work, also helping them with a sign that goes outside that has lights connected to it that has Shrimpy's on there. And they were looking for some interior design work, a mural on the wall, maybe some color schemes, ideas, including their logo, which I came up with, and some designs for their business cards, flyers, and mailers. So I had put a few things together for them, and pretty much in this video is my father had helped me put the sign together. We took old wood, well, we took new wood, and we made it look a little more vintage, a little more gray, beat it up a little bit, and then that's what you have here is that gray look. And then from there, we just painted the logo on there. I made sure to put the clear coat on it, as you'll see. And then we were working on some of the interior design. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and there'll be plenty more videos coming for 2019. Here we're at Shrimpy's now, about to put up the sign. It's ready to go, gonna put lights up. Got help from my guys at Eclipse Signs. They're gonna do the install. Let's get to it. Got my burrito, got my drink, got the guac, the shrimpy burrito for my wife. All is good. Let's see how it goes. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try this burrito from Shrimpy's. Good. Good stuff.